Today we are going to learn passive voice. Let's start with example number 1. My grandmother bakes delicious cakes. Now, we take the object, which is delicious cakes in this sentence, and put it in the beginning. Then, we insert the verb to be, and conjugate it in the same tense as the verb in the active sentence, in this case in simple present. After that, we put the main verb in the past participle form. Now, we insert by, and we bring the subject and put it after it. Thus, our sentence would read, delicious cakes are baked by my grandmother. Now, let's see another example. They sold the house last year. We move the object the house to the beginning. Then, we conjugate the verb to be in simple past as the verb sell is conjugated in simple past. Now, we put the active voice verb in the past participle form. We insert by, and we bring the subject and put it after it. But we can delete the by phrase here as it adds up no important information. And we finish our sentence by adding last year. So the passive voice sentence would be, the house was sold last year. Let's move to example 3. They should do something about global warming. The object is something. We put it in the beginning of the sentence. We put be after should as modal verbs are followed by infinitive without do. Then, we put the verb do in the past participle form, which is done. And we finish our sentence by adding about global warming. Eventually, the passive voice sentence should read like this. Something should be done about global warming. In this last example, we are going to see how to form passive voice when we have two objects in a sentence. The example is as follows. My brother has just given some books to Rashid. We follow the same procedure as before to form passive voice. So our first sentence would be, some books have just been given to Rashid by my brother. As you see here, the focus is on the direct object, which is some books. On the other hand, if the focus is on the indirect object, that is, Rashid, the passive voice sentence would sound like this. Rashid has just been given some books by my brother. I hope that the explanation of the lesson has been of some benefit to you. Thanks for watching.